One is our hit single, so we have to do it at every show because people would be like, oh, they didn't do that song? So here's Flowers Need Rain.